We got the 2013 Audi S8. Came through for a muffler delete. We call it a Muffy D around here. It's raining over here in beautiful South Florida, so it's gonna be a little difficult for me to whip out the car and let you guys hear, but we're gonna rev it in the garage. Check out what we did. Let's start from over here. He left on the stock cats. We don't even do that over here, but it's up to him if he wants to bring it to another shop. Over here, stock resonator. That could be the next move. This is where we did all the work. We chopped off those older mufflers, the restricting ones, replaced it with 2.5-inch piping. These are the old mufflers right here. You could always bring it home if you want to have intentions on returning the car, or you could sell them on eBay, or even these right here are worth a little bit of money. Maybe you could throw those on eBay if you like and get rid of the entire rest of the muffler. And then we hit them with these quad G exhaust carbon fiber tips. Also guys, we are franchising, so if you want basically a turnkey business, reach out to us. So the link is in the description. You could own your own G exhaust. It's very lucrative, high profit margins, and pretty high ticket sales compared to like the restaurant industry where you're selling a pizza for a $5 margin. These margins are significantly higher. All right, let's hear this thing.